So intermediate class per seat, flat track here in Lamitan City, Basilan. So nasa na plane Maki Chong, Carla Rivera, Bing Dablo, Makong, so Ron Validor, and then Klang Klang, John Paul Arangis, and Bing Bing Malon.
18th founding anniversary and 89th
Invitational flat track and
So we are
motocross
you are
competition.
celebrating. Please
GB Lim, Gilo Leonardo.
Kids.
So muna managan sa atong
Okay,
intermediate
all
class
kids,
per seat, flat track
please,
here in
stand
Lamitan
by.
City, Basilan.
Yan sa 8 laps.
So 8 laps, 8
Okay,
laps of racing.
8 laps.
Makong nakauna ba? Si Makong John Paul Arangis.
Okay.
Wala Makong. Si Maki na skillet. Agay, tutak mo na dito.
Yes.
Ala. John Paul Arangis. John Paul Arangis. Makong, GB Lim, Maki Chong, Bing Bing Malon, Gilo Leonardo, Klang Klang, Bing Dabs, Ron Validor. La.
Magandang message.
Arangis, Makong, GB Lim, Maki Chong, Bing Bing Malon, Gilo, Klang Klang, and Bing Dabs. Grabe, nagkalayo na si John Paul Arangis. La, Makong, GB Lim.
Okay, from Salog, Zamboanga.
Carla Rivera is down.
Okay, kids, proceed. Grabe, huwag yung harangan yung gate natin, mga kaibigan.
So, John Paul Arangis na kauna. GB Lim, Makong, Makong, Bing Bing Malon, Gilo, and Klang Klang. Okay ra, si Bing Dabs ito. Ba si Bing Dablo. Walas Carla lagi.
John Paul Arangis, followed by Jamie Lim. And we have
White flag, white flag. Checkered flag, Arangis. GB Lim, Makong, Maki Chong, Bing Bing Malon, and Gilo Leonardo. Checkered flag, Klang Klang.
Okay, kids.